Your guests are thinking things they'll never say to your face. And these unspoken truths are costing your hospitality business thousands. I'm Alison McGee-Barker from AJ Lakes Consultancy and AJ Lakes Training Academy, and today I'm sharing the 5 things that your hospitality guests secretly wish they could tell you, but they don't. And understanding these can transform your service, your reviews, and your revenue. So number 1, I want to feel welcome the moment I walk in. Your guests decide in the first 7 seconds whether they're going to return. Number 2, I shouldn't have to chase staff for help. Guests want confident, proactive service, not apologetic, reactive responses. Number 3, please don't make me repeat myself. Nothing frustrates guests more than poor communication going on between staff. Number 4, cleanliness is non-negotiable everywhere. Tiny details guests notice, like the corners, the lifts, the mirrors, and the smells. Number 5, I want to feel valued, not processed. Personalised touches create loyalty. Automation alone doesn't. I want to give you some bonus insights to help you. Number 6, I want transparency, not surprises. Hidden charges actually does destroy trust. Number 7, if something goes wrong, just fix it fast, because most complaints escalate only because the resolution is too slow. Number 8, I want to feel safe telling you the truth, and most guests won't give honest feedback. They just don't return. One of our AJ Lakes clients use these guest insights and actually increase their likelihood of score by a minimum of 35 to 40% just within 8 weeks. So when you understand what guests really think, you deliver experiences that keep them coming back time and time again and keep them loyal to you and your business. And if you want to uncover the hidden guest experience gaps inside your hospitality business, book a complimentary profit leak diagnostic call today at ajlakes.com, or give me a message, alison@ajlakes.com, or message me on my social media so I can help and support you, as we are on a mission to help 1 million busy business owners, teams and managers to live your best lives by being emotionally, physically, mentally and financially free. So if you want help and support to live your best lives, get in touch today. May I wish you a happy Friday, everybody, and a happy weekend. Take care. Thank you for listening. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.